Hello, welcome to another Margot tutorial training. I'm excited today. Today we'll be doing something close to chemistry, but like I always promise, there's no chemistry in the practical. I'm going to make it as simple as possible, no chemistry at all. Now today we'll be going into the production of what do I call it? I don't want to call it epic, but we'll be doing something that you can use to wash your toilet, wash your towels. You know, they can call it stain remover. We are going to be producing stain remover. It's going to be involving the use of acid and acid. So I'll be doing this production in an open space. Definitely not in my office. I will come out to the open space to make that video. Let's go right into the production venue. Viewers, welcome to this production of the stain remover toilet wash. It is, some people call it toilet wash, some people call it stain remover. Now here are the reagents we'll be using for this production. This is HCl, hydrochloric acid. We are using 1 liter of our hydrochloric acid. It looks exactly like water, so but because of the corrosive nature, that is why we have to put it inside this kind of container. Some people put it inside this place maybe after being mixed, or because they feel that it will not stay long before they use it. But I prefer to put it here to take precaution. Like you can see, I try to kit up myself to cover up against any abnormality. Here is our sulfonic acid. Sulfonic. It is not sulfuric. Sulfonic acid. Here is our fragrance, and here is our color. So I said I was going to teach you a very simple method. There are some other people that add caustic soda, some even add Texapon, but here is a simple and effective method for the production of this product. So starting the production, I'm using 1 liter of my sulfonic acid. Please watch. If you do it this way I'm doing it, watch your eyes. Watch your eyes. So here is my sulfonic acid. I'm using 1 liter of my sulfonic acid. That is just after I just poured. I'm pouring in the remaining sulfonic acid. Here is my sulfonic acid. We are making 5 liters. Just in case I didn't mention that, this production is for 5 liters production. Now I'll be adding water. I'm assuming that this is a liter of water. I'm assuming that this bowl is 1 liter of water. So don't forget, I said we are making 5 liters production. I added 1 liter and I'm mixing it thoroughly. The sulfonic acid has a chocolate brown color. Sometimes it looks almost purple in color. I said we are not going to be talking chemistry, so please follow the production. You can see that I mixed in the water and it's almost as if we didn't add any water. Then we are going to go ahead and add another liter of water. I'm assuming that this bowl is 1 liter. If you have measurement cups close by to you, we sell measurement cups, you can please use it. So I have added the 2nd liter of water. I've mixed it thoroughly and it's almost seeming as if I didn't add any water. Then I'll be adding the 3rd bowl of water, which makes it 3 liters that I added to this 5 liter production. Please don't forget, we are making 5 liters. We used 3 liters of water. We used 1 liter of our sulfonic acid, and we'll be using 1 liter of our hydrochloric acid. Here is my hydrochloric acid. I used a nylon. You can see how it's changed the color of the nylon, so that I can protect it as I bring it down to this production venue. Please use your nose masks. You can see smoke coming out. Please don't do it where there are children. Don't leave this chemical where there are children. Please make sure you put into consideration every protective means possible It is very important. Now my toilet wash is almost done. The sulfonic acid lumps you can still see, but please ignore. By the time you are done, everything will dissolve. Every damn thing. Sorry about that. You can see why I said we should take precaution. Now I'll be adding in my fragrance. The color is the last thing in any of these productions that has acid or liquid soap. You know, I added my color last, so I'll be adding in my color. I added my perfume already. Please, you cannot pour in your color this way. You have to take a pinch of water and pour in your color inside a pinch of water. Not so much water. Mix it thoroughly. You can see this blue. Then you can mix in your blue inside your Harpic. And our Harpic is ready. Sorry about that. And our toilet wash or stain remover is ready. You can use this in your houses, in the office. You can make this. I'm adding little water to rinse the color thoroughly. You can make this for production, for sale. You can make, there are so many things you can improve on it anyway if this is for sale. And that is why we talk about our course. Please contact me for any question. Make your question. You can ask your question on the channel. Check our Instagram handle. You can check us on Facebook. We'll be glad to have you there. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.